Are you having a difficulty in using a chopstick? Well, in this video, I will teach you on how to use a chopstick. Coming up. Hi there, my name is Bobbie Bernaldez and I'm a lady driver here in Doha, Qatar. Now, if you're new to this channel, can you please click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para ma-notify mo kayo agad-agad. Sa video na ito is I'm going to teach you on how to use a chopstick. Okay, first is yung unang stick is dapat dito ilalagay. So, iisipin nyo lang na para kayong nagsusulat, okay? Okay. Next is ilagay nyo ang dalawang stick dito sa ilalim. Make it sure na pantay silang dalawa. Yun, pantay. So, dapat ito kasi naka-hold palabas. Yung ito naman dapat i-hold dito papunta sa inyo. Kaya yung dito naka-hold siya. And dapat straight siya dito. So, yung trabaho dito sa taas, yung sinasabi ko, is dapat naka-clip siya. Ayun. Isipin nyo na para kayo nagsusulat ha. Tapos yung dito, dapat naka-hold siya. Alright? Now, para ma-practice nyo is from malaki to maliit, doon kayo mag-practice. Now, dito, sa akin kasi yung ginagamit ko is nag-practice muna ako sa maliit para mahasa. Ginawa ko ito. Dito mo siya i-practice.
Right? Practice ka lang. Concentrate ka lang, guys.
Alright. So, practice, guys. And learn from it. Okay? Now, may tanong ako. Gusto ka na bang matutong paano mag-chopstick? Then, execute mo na para matuto ka. Okay? So, thank you so much guys for watching this video until the very end. Remember, sa bawat problema, may solusyon. Now, you really have to learn from it, work from it, and grow from it. Thank you so much guys for watching Save Up with Bobbie. This is Bobbie Bernaldez. See you on my next video.